Look at those seats. Oh my lord. You ready? Good morning everyone. We're at the Starflyer. This is going to be the main of this vlog because we're both going to be dead. It's don't hang about. She just sat here, it's gone. Off she goes. Complete. As it comes down to a complete halt. Do you know it is tall, but it actually doesn't look as tall as I thought it was going to be. Good. Scary. Scary. Cold. I can't do that, I've got my hoodie. Starflyer complete.
It's good. Nice. It's cold up there, really cold up there.
Is it fast?
No, it's nice. It feels like, I don't know, it's just nice. You don't like it?
Do you want to go on it? Look at the state of his face.
I know, yeah.
Right, should we go for some breakfast?
Yeah, breakfast would be nice. Wipe his face.
Going down a little bit fast.
No, it's like really, like, I don't know, it's like floating something.
Does it turn?
It doesn't feel scary up there. It just feels.
Do you feel secure?
Yeah. It's weird because it's like. I know it feels. I know it's really high. Looking at that now, it's high. But when you're up there, you're just in that circle. So it doesn't feel like. I don't know. I can't explain it. It's not bumpy. It's not. You're not blowing all over the place. It's just like a swing ride.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go for breakfast.
Hi.
So Lucie's been on Starflyer and
Mummy.
we've been for breakfast at Florida Mall.
Mummy.
Florida Mall? At Perkins. We're going to Florida Mall. And the boys have got a SpongeBob that they're throwing around the car. But we've never been to Perkins before. It was nice.
It was very nice. There's no way I'd have picked it myself, but we did it because of a recommendation.
Yes. I can't remember who it was, but thank you very much for your recommendation.
Yeah, it was really nice.
It was really good. So we're going to go shopping now. We're going to Florida Mall, Walmart and all that boring stuff. So we won't film that because I don't think you can film them all anyway. You don't want to see us going around the shops. It's a bit boring.
There will be Yankee candles.
Yeah. Yankee candles and all that. Alan and Stevie fly home tomorrow, so we're going to meet them. They're at Universal today, so we're going to meet them later for drinks, and maybe I'll get Alan on the Starflyer.
You'll get Alan on the Starflyer.
And me.
Yeah, I know, but it's like you'll get Alan on the Starflyer. Like,
I'm not going on the Starflyer. But I need a couple of drinks, I can't do that. Oh, screw off. Right, let's go. Good evening. It's been a few hours. Here we are, walking through the party pool. So it's our last night here at Cabana Bay. Yes, we're going to Hard Rock Cafe.
No, like the last
Hard Rock Hotel. Yeah! I've been so looking forward to that. Party pool, party laser.
I wonder if anybody's in it now.
I doubt it.
We'll have to look in a minute.
So we've been shopping, got a few bits, went to Walmart, spent so much in Walmart on cookies and most snacks we've done bought, isn't it? We've bought stuff for work and things like that, but for ourselves.
Well, yeah. Got to keep the dream alive a little bit longer, haven't we?
Yeah. So, we've gone dark. There we go. So we're going to meet Alan and Steve for dinner at the Yard House. We're going into the bar area in the Cabana Bay. We've never had our free cocktails. Of all the years we've stayed here, we've never ever
We always nail the Starbucks right, don't we?
Yeah. I think you used to be able to exchange them for Starbucks, but we haven't done that this year, so we're going to have a cocktail. We're enjoying tonight. We're getting a cab onto International Drive so we can both have a couple of drinks. Dinky was complaining earlier on in the holiday that they had no Christmas decorations.
I know.
And now
there's millions of them.
There's about 50 Christmas trees in the lobby, concourse, wherever you want to call it. The windows are done up also in the store. I was going to say shop at the same time. Christmas trees in there as well. Little Christmas trees. And there it is. They've also got little Christmas trees. Well, little. It's probably bigger than the one we've got at home. But you've got Christmas trees around the perimeter of the big Christmas tree. There you go. It's full on Christmas here at Cabana Bay. This is our third stay at Cabana Bay, and we've never ever visited the Swizzle Lounge. No, that's true. It only opens at 5:30 though. So we've got a Cabana Bay house cocktail. So if you book your holiday with Virgin Holidays, you get the Cabana Bay colada. So I think it's a pina colada.
Yeah, it's definitely pineapple.
They definitely put Malibu and Sailor Jerry's rum in there as well, and a pina colada mix, which is cool. So we'll drink that and then we'll head on out.
1 hour later.
I've drank that, and Aaron in a Honda CRV is going to pick us up. Thank you, Aaron. We'll see you in 10 minutes. Good evening. We are in the Yard House in International Drive. I've had a enchilada stack. Alan's had the same. Stevie's had a Hawaiian chicken.
Maui pineapple chicken.
Sounds good. Hawaiian chicken.
Yeah.
And the boys have had the biggest pizzas known to man. And Lucie's had nothing.
I'm just going to watch everybody.
Yeah. And they said this plate was hot, and I've got my finger on it. I'm like, oh my god, this plate's hot. So it is hot. So we're going to tuck in, and Alan's coming on the Starflyer with me. Yes, Alan, you are. Unless Stevie wants to. Stevie will go on with me. What a great video that would be. Put a hoodie on. You can use my Mickey hoodie. I had no hoodie. Right, we're over. It's chicken time.
So, Richard Smith, what you saying?
It's scary.
Yeah.
It's scary. Like, right.
Reride!
If you're scared of heights, it's scary.
I'm scared of heights.
I've been in it twice, and it was bad both times. Like, first time I went on was with Lucie, so I was on the inside and Lucie was on the outside, and it was quite stable. But then the second time I went on the outside on my own, and it was swinging around loads of, it was like this at the side. I didn't like that. I'm glad I've done it. Top of the bucket list.
So I completed it, mate.
Completed it, mate. Starflyer and Falcon's Fury completed. I didn't think I'd do them this holiday and I've done it. Doctor Doom, coming for you.